How do you feel?
Oh, good.
You feel good?
First time homeowner, you know, first one, first crib. Now we're starting our legacy. This is for our families, for our future. I'm sorry.
Come on in. It's nice and cozy. Take your shoes off right here. Bear in mind that this video is taken the day that we closed on our home. What you're seeing here is how the kitchen used to look. We are currently working on that kitchen, and that video will be up soon, hopefully. Painting a kitchen is extremely difficult, but I hope to put that video up for you guys so that you can see what not to do for yourselves. Every wall in the house right now, especially on this level, is pretty much white. Right now in this video, it was like a pale blue when we moved in. My dad, so grateful for him. He came and he painted everything white. White walls, white trim, white ceiling. This is the living room and dining area. As you can see, this is the entryway. We do have 3 bedrooms in the home. The first bedroom on the right is the smallest bedroom, which we're thinking of turning into an office. The second bedroom is the guest room. We lovingly call this the Pepto-Bismol room. I guess the people who lived there before had little girls, and this is what they probably requested. It's bright, but I have so many plans for this guest room. I can't wait for you guys to see that. This is the master bedroom, which we love, minus this wall. A lot of people are going to say that they love it, but we honestly hate it and cannot wait for it to come down. This room does have 2 closets, which we'll also be remodeling on our own. Stay tuned for that video as well. It does have an entryway to the bathroom from the bedroom, which is sort of cool, I guess. I'm still not completely sold on it. Let me know down below if you're here for a door from the master bedroom leading to the bathroom. However, the bathroom is shared with everyone else. And side note, we also dislike this bathroom and cannot wait to gut it. So our home is a split level home, raised ranch. This room here is the first room that you see actually when you enter through the door. It's on your right. They called it the family room. So it's kind of like a bonus room for us. We're not really sure what's going to go down here. They did install like this half bath situation, which we also want to like extend into a full bath one day soon, hopefully. This is the end of the tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing our home pre all of the great DIY things that we've done to it. Stay tuned for some remodeling videos that will be up very soon, so hit that notification bell. Don't forget. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, you guys. Bye.